from the nearby forest, your guide will approach you, a spiritual guide. He can look like a man in white, and then your guide will show you the door.
So I entered a very tiny golden door. But it's really tiny, it's smaller than me.
Okay.
Some image of a place came to my mind. I was once in Jezersko, walking past a house where I felt like, I don't know, somebody got murdered or something, like it was so horrible. And
Okay. Okay, just follow the feeling that you're having, this terrible murder feeling, and that will form into a scene in front of your eyes. You are just looking at it like in a movie. Like, let's see what's happening when you follow the feeling.
This is this empty wooden room with like a wooden table and basically no other furniture. Nothing is on the walls except one grable. And there is a man that I don't like living there.
Okay, and now look at your feet.
I'm not an adult.
Regression therapy is a form of hypnosis which is used to resolve certain hidden traumas that people might have. Om tare tu re mama yo jana punya pushtin kuru soha. Om tare tu re mama yo jana. And who is there in the house with you?
Just this guy.
Okay, just remove yourself a bit from it. We're looking at it like in a movie, and then we will see a scene like in a movie on a screen, like something that's really hard for you to see there. Like, let's see what's happening to you. Why does that girl feel horrible? Just for a short time, let's see.
He always says that he cares about the girl, but he doesn't really. That he loves her, but he doesn't. I mean, she feels like he doesn't.
Let's see the last day of that girl's life. Do you see her as an older person or younger person?
I see her in the mud in front of that house.
How old is she?
Very young.
So we're just replaying, like rewinding the movie to see just what happened to her. How did she end up in mud?
He was hitting her with a grable that was in the, or some, I don't know if it was grable, so some kind of tool for farming or something. And then she died. She has a lot of wounds. Om tare tu re mama yo jana punya pushtin kuru soha.
Okay, do you feel there was anything sexual between them or not? Just let's see short one scene, if there was anything sexual, just to see shortly how it looked.
She lost Pablo! She lost him! She fucking lost Pablo! She fucking lost Pablo!
So, what is she feeling at that time?
Disgusted, but at the same time kind of aroused by what's happening, but also just feeling like she is disgusting.
Okay, let's move to the last minutes of her life. And 1, 2, 3, and take a deep breath. And you are releasing that life, and you are peacefully passing through death. Just feel the peace, relaxation. You're completely safe. And then you will land into this beautiful place beside your guide. And your guide is waiting for you there. You okay? What is it? Is this something you said? What is it?
I don't know. Just so much pain. It's just nice to imagine the guide now and this nice place.
Yeah, it's a nice place, and guide will hug you. It has a really healing presence. And now we can ask the guide to explain, like, what is the reason for this painful experience of that little girl? What is there to understand or learn? So you'll tell me what he said. And what is he saying?
Vezalke.
What does that mean?
Shoelaces.
Dragocjenoj Budi, dragocjenoj Dharmi i dragocjenoj Sangi, ovi trima draguljima dajemo ovu ponudu. Dobar tek.